Good morning, children. Now we will learn next lesson. Okay, that is in English. Open page number 30. Okay, the lesson number 3. The boy who cried wolf. Okay, so here describe a trick you played on your friend on April Fool's Day. How did you feel? What did they do? Okay, children. So what is April Fool's Day? Every year on April 1st. We call it as April Fool's Day. April 1st. Okay, children, every year April 1st we call it as April Fool's Day. Okay. So, now describe a trick you played on your friend. So anytime did you fool your friends or your family members or anyone? So now you have to share your experience with me. You should send a WhatsApp video. Okay, children, send a WhatsApp audio how you fooled your friend and what did they do to you. Okay. So now let's go into the lesson. A boy had just left school. He was sent out to take care of some sheep. So a boy just left the school. He just left the school and he was sent to take care of some sheep. So he was sent to take care of some sheep. So he watched the sheep for a long time. So he used to watch the sheep for a long time. When he was tired of watching them, he thought he would have some fun. So daily he used to watch those sheep. He used to look after those sheep. So one day he thought that he would have fun. So he shouted wolf wolf as loud as he could. So he shouted as possible as he could. What he shouted? Wolf wolf. The men in the fields heard him shout. So nearby the boy there are fields. So there the men, they heard him shout. They came running up with the sticks to scare wolf and drive it away. So those men who are working in the field, they bought the sticks. They bought sticks to scare the wolf and to drive it away. So they were surprised when they did not see a wolf there. So there they couldn't see any wolf. Okay, children. They came running up with the sticks to scare the wolf and drive it away. So they thought that they will drive the wolf away. Okay, and they were surprised when they came there. They did not see any wolf. So they asked, "Where is wolf?" So they asked, "Where is wolf?" So there is no wolf, said the boy. So the boy said, there is no wolf. I called out for fun. So he told that he called out for fun and there is no wolf. Okay. It was good fun to see you all running up for nothing. So see, these all people, they came with the sticks. When they came, they asked, where is the wolf? Then this boy told them that there is no wolf. I said it for fun. And I am having fun by seeing you all running up for nothing. Okay. The men were angry and went away. So the men were very angry as the boy lied. So they went away. Next day, the boy went out with the sheep again. So next day, again he went out with the sheep. So when he was watching them, a wolf came. So that day when he was watching, the wolf really came. The boy shouted wolf wolf as loud as he could. He shouted so loud, but the men said, it is only that boy calling out for fun. He will not catch us this time. So the men in the fields, they thought that this boy is simply lying. So they ignored him. So no one came to drive away the wolf. So no one they thought that the boy is making fun, and no one came to help the wolf. Sorry, to help to drive away the wolf. Okay, the wolf went off with one sheep. So the wolf went off with the one sheep. He took off one sheep. The boy went home sad. He had lost one of his sheep. So the boy, he went very sad. He was very sad, and he went to home because he lost one of his sheep. So then he said to himself, I will never shout again, wolf, wolf, when there is no wolf. Then he realized that he is saying to himself that he will never again shout wolf, wolf, when there is no wolf. See, because first time when he shouted, the men came. The men who are working in the field, they came. But it was a lie. The boy is making fun. But when the wolf really came, no one went to him. No one saved the sheep, because they thought even that time also the boy is making fun. So that is the moral of the story, children. So we should not lie anytime. Okay, so see, now here the boy lied. First time he told lie. What happened? They came, and again when he told correct one, when he shouted correct, that wolf came, but no one came. Why? Because they lost hope in them. Okay, they don't trust. The men are not trusting the boy. Okay, now we will complete the exercises. Okay, children. The boy was sent out to take care of a wolf, some sheep. So the boy was sent out to take care of some sheep. When he shouted wolf, wolf the first time, the men in the fields came running to drive it away. The men in the fields continued with their work. So it is A. The men in the field came running to drive it away. When the men did not see a wolf there, the boy said he had called out for fun. The wolf had run away. So it is A. He had called out for fun. The boy shouted wolf, wolf again because a wolf had already come. He wanted to see all the men running towards him. So the wolf really came. The boy realized that the wolf carried away one of his sheep. People will not believe liars. Okay. So, in this what it is, children? The boy realized that people will not believe it liars. Okay. Now language in use. Look at the pictures. Read these sentences. The boy is climbing up the tree. So here what is the boy doing, children? The boy is climbing up the tree. Robin is coming down the slide. He is coming down the slide. Rani is jumping into the water. So she is jumping into the water. So this is when we are going up, we say up. When we are coming down, we'll say down. And if you are going in somewhere, then we'll tell into. Okay. So now circle the right option. The boy went dash the room. Into the room. Okay. The lady dash into the stairs. The lady went dash the stairs. Down the stairs. The cat jumped dash the box into the box. Okay. She climbed dash the stairs up. Okay. He got dash the train off. Okay. So the boy went into the room. So he is going into the room. The lady went down the stairs. The cat jumped into the box. She climbed up the stairs, and he got off the train. Okay. Now fill in the blanks using up, down or into. Okay children, here we can say it as down. Okay, write down down also. He got down the train. Okay, now fill in the blanks using up, down or into. The frog went dash the mountain, so we have to climb up the mountain. The shopkeeper kept a box up in the cupboard. The ball fell down the well. Down because it's going down. Change into your dress. INTO. The mouse ran into its hole. The frog went up the mountain. The shopkeeper kept the box up in the cupboard. Change into new dress. The mouse ran into its hole. Now, what are the animals saying? Tick the right word. So here giraffe is saying this. I am tall, you are short. Dog is short, giraffe is tall. Here elephant is saying, I am fat, you are thin. Here lion is speaking, I am strong, you are weak. Here hippo is talking. Okay, I am heavy, you are light. Okay, here giraffe is telling, I am tall, you are short. Here elephant is telling, I am fat, you are thin. Now here lion is saying, I am strong, you are weak. Next, here hippo is saying, I am heavy, you are light. Okay, now match the words in column A to their opposites in column B. So opposites. Okay children, see here it is, the boy is pulling the box. Here this boy is pushing. So pull and push are opposites. Okay, so buy opposite is sell. Give opposite is take. Push opposite is pull. Build opposite is break. Find opposite is lose. Buy, sell, give, take, push, pull, build, break, find, lose. Okay, turn the page. Now the pictures show the story of a crow who was fooled by the fox. The order of sentences in the story is jumbled. Write the correct number beside each sentence with the help of the pictures. Now we will see the sequence. Okay, see in first picture the crow found a piece of cheese. Next the crow sat on the trunk and the fox sees the crow. Then the fox asks the crow to sing. Then the crow starts singing. When the crow starts singing, the piece of cheese in its mouth fell down and the fox is running away with the cheese. Okay, now we will keep the sentence in order. The piece of cheese drops down to the ground. So it is 5. The fox asked the crow to sing. So where did the fox ask the crow to sing? In third picture. So 3. The crow finds some cheese. So it is picture 1. The fox sees the crow. So it is picture 2. The fox runs away with the piece of cheese. So it is number 6. The crow sings a song. So it is number 4. Okay children. So the order of sequence is 5, 3, 1, 2, 6, 4. Okay. You have to correct the order and write. Now in this story the boy did not behave properly. His action was wrong. Okay. So now here we have to look at. So here the boy is playing on the road. So this is a bad action. And the girl is helping the old woman. So it is right. Here the girl is sharing cookies with her other girl. So it is right. And here the both girls are fighting. So this is wrong. Okay. So children, hope you understood the lesson. Complete the exercises. Once again read the lesson and complete the exercises and keep a picture to me. Okay children. Thank you. Have a good day.